Hi, everyone. Greg Gordon, Vice President of Prevail, and I'm joined once again by our President, Andrew Stafford.
Craig, good topics today. I'm
Yeah,
excited.
there's a lot to discuss.
There
A little
is a
bit
lot
going
to
on.
discuss.
And
That
what's
is.
what's interesting, I mean, obviously, I think everybody knows there's a lot of geopolitical
Mhm.
tension, some conflicts out there. What's interesting is we were here this time last year, just different countries, maybe
It
different
feels
topics.
like repeat, and I don't mean
There's
to
some
say
differences, sure.
oh, of course, I don't want to diminish what's going
Yeah,
on, right? But if we were to revert back to the first quarter of last year,
yeah.
you think about some of the topics we were talking about was the geopolitical risk with the war of
Environment. Yep,
Ukraine. Then we introduced tariff uncertainty.
that's right.
And the markets reacted to that,
Inflation.
right? And inflation was in there. It's another one. So last year we had inflation, tariff uncertainty, and we still had geopolitical risk. In the first quarter, the markets were crazy. And as you look back, the markets still finished pretty darn good,
Yeah.
as we went through the year. So again, it's not our job to sit here and predict what will or will
Don't
not
have
happen.
a crystal ball.
No crystal ball. But it's interesting that we're in the same situation that now we still have geopolitical risk. Inflation risk has kind of brought itself back in with the
It has.
spike of oil.
Well,
Now,
the blockage of the Strait of Hormuz.
the
and
Strait of
everything. Yeah,
Hormuz. Now,
yeah.
there's arguments over, how long that is.
That's
A
right.
lot of
That's
the
right.
oil industry, if you take the futures, are predicting oil
Yep.
to come back down. But really, what we're hitting on is uncertainty, and the markets do not like uncertainty.
That's correct.
And so, if you think about it from an investing standpoint, here's what I think is important for our investors and all investors to think about. In any situation like this, there's parts of the market that you could still perform well
There's
and do
always
well at.
opportunity with disruption.
There's always opportunity. And so while right now doesn't feel good, disruption creates opportunity. Disruption sometimes creates buying opportunities to get back into positions that you would have liked to
Yep.
been in that you couldn't. So the opportunity to reposition portfolios and moreover, just patience,
That's
right?
right.
I mean, we're not even a full quarter in and we've been here before. So this isn't us standing and saying, hey, the market's going to have an incredible year. That's not the point. The point is the ability to be patient, to understand what's going on. And our guys always do an incredible job working with clients to let them know what we're
That's
thinking,
right.
how we're positioning the portfolios, rotation when necessary, risk off when we need to take
Yeah.
risk off, risk on when it's to go
That's
back
right.
on. And I think that this is a cycle that we will get through. I can't tell you how long it's going to be. But again, I think this is the current environment.
And I think this is a great moment for everybody that's listening
Yeah.
to ask themselves, what's my strategy?
Yeah.
What's my go forward strategy? Is what I'm doing now the right thing that I should be doing for the next
100%.
month, 3 months, a year? And being able to articulate that and work with somebody that can help define it, that's really the key, because opportunities will present themselves.
100%. And if you'd like to learn more, check out prevailiws.com.